favorite thing about the Rose Model Workshop was I liked the rows. I liked how there was different levels and there was different parts to it. Or something I have done differently since we first met was I've definitely talked to myself a bit more than I used to, and I have called myself like hun and darling. So that's been cool and fun. It's made a difference by making me feel more confident in myself and letting me know that it's okay it's okay if you're sad. It's okay. It happens to everyone, and you can get through it. You just gotta stay positive. I would definitely recommend it to a friend. I would tell them that it definitely helped me be more confident in myself, and that it's just made me better.